In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a Notion database by multiple conditions. We'll break it down step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to apply these filters with confidence to make your Notion experience even more productive. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Notion account and navigate to your workspace where all your important wikis, docs, and projects await. Head over to Notion's website and log in with your credentials. If you're already a Notion user, this step should be straightforward, but if not, follow the prompts to get logged in. Once you've successfully logged in, welcome to your Notion home. This is your central hub for all things productivity. From here, you'll be able to access all your pages and databases effortlessly. Now, take a moment to locate the specific page or database you intend to work with. Clicking on it will open up the entire structure and content of your database. Once your page or database is open and in full view, let's focus on leveraging the filter functions that Notion provides. Look for the filter option at the top of your database view. This is where the magic begins. Once you've clicked on Filter, you'll be greeted with basic filter options. But we're aiming to dig a little deeper today and apply multiple conditions. So our next step is to enhance these filters for more specific results. Click on Add Advanced Filter to start this process. This option allows you to specify and combine various conditions, giving you a robust tool to tailor the information presented. When the Advanced Filter menu appears, pay attention to the different fields available. You'll see how each corresponds to a column or category in your database. Here you can decide which property of your database you want to filter by. For each property or column, define the condition you wish to apply. Whether it's a specific date range, a certain status, or any other attribute unique to your information setup, the value within each field allows you to customize these conditions. Next, let's delve into values by clicking on the Value field. This vital step lets you set a specific parameter for the conditions you have already outlined. By setting a value, you can narrow down your data to the most pertinent entries, ensuring your database view offers exactly what you need, when you need it. That's a quick yet comprehensive guide on how to filter a Notion database by multiple conditions. Take some time to experiment with these filters to see how they can best serve your specific needs. With practice, you'll find that this feature can greatly enhance your productivity and data management within Notion. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any further questions or need more tips on using Notion effectively, feel free to check out additional resources. Goodbye and happy filtering!